Hey guys, we'll be installing 4-inch recess canless lights on this huge house. Uh, so pretty much first thing I drilled out 4.5 inch, well actually that's a 4-inch recess lights, recess holes with the hole saw, and prepared a bunch of devices to install. They come in two parts. This is the light itself and that's the driver. Already prepare the wires, connect them. That's a selector switch for the temperature color. Put a button connector and then connector, whatever you want to call it. Just connected the Romex wires inside um, and close the cover. And this wire right here, that's the low voltage that's getting connected to the light. It's plug and play, pretty simple to do. This is a final product. Has a gasket rated for outside soffit lights. Um, that's the hole. The guys poked out the wire in the wrong spot. It wasn't us. It was actually the soffit guys. Um, used the boom lift, 40 foot. It's pretty tall. This is the final product. Came out nice.